A very good morning and happy Independence Day to my dear patriots. We celebrate Independence Day as a national festival of India. The day marks the anniversary of national independence from the British Empire on 15th August 1947. It is the most auspicious day for the people of India because India became independent after lots of hardships and sacrifices of the brave Indian freedom fighters. From that day onwards, 15th August has become a very important day in Indian history and in the hearts of every Indian. The entire nation celebrates this day with full spirit of patriotism. One of the main motives for celebrating Independence Day is to make the young generation aware of the sacrifices we have made to make this country a better place for them. Now, I would like to call upon Mrs. Amarjeet ma'am to deliver our message on Independence Day.
On the joyful occasion of our 74th Independence Day, we, the management and staff of St. Jude Convent School, Nakodar, wish every one of you a very happy Independence Day. Today, we are breathing in an air which is blowing freely for every citizen of our country. Our voices have become louder than ever before. Our independence has dawned on us with an ocean of unlimited opportunities. And undoubtedly, we are progressing with progress. On this day, many programs are conducted at district, state and national level to celebrate the spirit of freedom. In other words, we conduct such programs to assure ourselves that we are free and of course free. But here arises a point to ponder. Have we made our thought process free? Because our thought process is the main architect of a sound personality. And any educational institution play a vital role in building an all-round structural thought process. So as a teacher, I would like to implore all my dear students and parents to stay connected with your schools because schools are the only pioneer institutions to instill quality thought process by providing quality education among the future citizens of free India. So dear ones, stay safe. Thank you everybody.
Thank you Amarjeet ma'am for touching the most sensitive thought process issue on this day. Judean Choir Group is all ready to sing a joyful song to celebrate our Independence Day. Let us enjoy it.
है वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, है वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं यहाँ रहूँ यहाँ में याद रहे तू, मैं यहाँ रहूँ यहाँ में याद रहे तू, है वतन मेरे वतन, है वतन मेरे वतन, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझे से, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझे से, पहुँचूँ मैं यहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू, पहुँचूँ मैं यहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू, है वतन मेरे वतन, है वतन मेरे वतन, है वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, है वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं यहाँ रहूँ यहाँ में याद रहे तू, यहाँ रहूं यहाँ में याद रहे तू। है वतन मेरे वतन, है वतन मेरे वतन।
What a nice and heart-touching song which has thrilled us so enthusiastically that we are feeling as if we are on the seventh sky. Now is the time to announce the much-awaited results of online solo song competition. So here are the results. Class 4th, Pavanpreet Singh, 4th Rose, 1st. Saira Dhariwal, 4th Jasmine, 2nd. Jasprit Kaur, 4th Daisy, 3rd. Class 5th, Jasmine Sahota, 5th Jasmine, 1st. Rajni Gill, 5th Rose, 2nd. Ishana Baveja, 5th Daisy, 3rd. Class 6th, Gurkirat Kaur, 6th Daisy, 1st. Harjap Singh, 6th Jasmine, 2nd. Ashima Nahar, 6th Daisy, 3rd. Class 7th, Navneet Kumar, 7th Lily, 1st. Darpreet Kaur, 7th Daisy, 2nd. Danika, 7th Rose, 3rd. Class 8, Rupinder Kaur, 8th Rose, 1st. Harprab Kaur, 8th Lily, 2nd. Anmoldeep Singh, 8th Lily, 3rd. Class 9, Jessica Arora, 9th Daisy, 1st. Palak, 9th Jasmine, 2nd. Sanamdeep Singh, 9th Jasmine, 3rd. Class 10, Sanjana, 10th Rose, 1st. Kiratpreet Kaur, 10th Jasmine, 2nd. Gurjot Kaur, 10th Jasmine, 3rd. Congratulations to all the winners and thanks to everyone who participated in this competition. So finally I conclude saying, freedom in the mind, faith in the words, pride in our souls. Let's salute the nation on our Independence Day. Jai Hind.